It was so quiet in there, so it made me more nervous.
This is an infiltration match. Have you done this before?
First time. I'm nervous.
Focus on the sound.
I just got to finish this match, and then I'll level up.
Then all of the
Sniper!
there was a gunshot that came out from nowhere.
Where are you shooting? You need to use the sound to locate him.
I can't because I don't have a surround sound system.
There? Where is he?
I had no idea where the sound was coming from. There was no sense of direction in the sound. No, from behind, I'm dead again. I had no way of knowing that. That's why we changed.